Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Feedspace. So Feedspace is a tool that lets you collect feedback, reviews, testimonials, whatever you call them, from your users, which means the people that have used your product or service. And other than just text reviews, you can also collect audio reviews as well as video reviews. And Feedspace is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $319, but at AppSumo you are getting this tool at only $39. As you can see, there are 6 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So here are all of the features and here are some of the plans. There is also license tier 4. So if you want to buy Feedspace on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. After you log into Feedspace, you are going to get this dashboard, and the first thing you have to do is create your workspace. As you can see, I already have my workspace, so I can also edit this workspace. And workspace is important because here you can upload your logo. This logo is going to appear when you are trying to collect reviews. You can also provide workspace name and the description. So let's go back. In order to collect reviews or feedback, the first thing you have to do is create forms. As you can see, I already have a form. This is a video form. So there are various forms. If I click on this create new form, so you can create audio form, which means using this form, you can collect audio reviews. So there are a lot of people that are not comfortable with capturing videos. So in terms of those users, you can collect audio reviews. And then there is also video reviews as well as text reviews. So if I create audio form, it is going to collect audio reviews. The video form is going to collect video reviews and the text form is going to collect text reviews. So already there is one video form. So now I can also share this form. I can also edit this. Let me show you all the editing options. On the right side, you can see a live preview of the video form. So this is what the user is going to get. And then he can start recording a video or record his screen or also upload a video file. And you can also see the mobile view for this page. So here is the mobile view. And all of the elements on this page are customizable. So you can change this title. What do you think about our product? So you can change it from here. And then there is this main message. So from dear user to this feedback. So you can also change this from this box. For example, I don't want to keep dear user. Let's remove this. There are also text formatting options on top. And then there are also some other customization options, such as you can change this video recording button. So on the button, the text is record video. For example, I want to add another word, record video now. So as you can see, this button name has changed. You can also do the same for this recording screen button. And if you want, you can even disable this screen button. So as you can see now, it has disappeared. And you can also change this attribution page title and the page subtitle. And one of the best features of Feedspace is that you can even collect lead info, which means you can collect the user name, the email, and also their consent. You can also change the consent text from here. For example, I don't want to collect email, so let's disable this. Now let's scroll down. There is also another section. So once they record a video or send a video file, what kind of page they are going to get? So they are going to get a thank you page. And on that thank you page, you can also change the page title. So for example, let's change it to thanks a lot. And you can also change this thank you message. For example, I want to remove this emoji. And at the end of the page, there is also another customization. You can upload your logo of your brand. And you can also select the video duration, the video the user is sending, how long it should be. You can select that from here, 3 minutes, 5 or 10. Now let's save the changes. And as you can see, now we have got the link. So this is exactly the link that I have to send to my users, to those people I want to collect the reviews from. I can also share this form link to Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp or Facebook, or I can also use this QR code. So if I send this QR code to one of my users, if he or she scans it, that person will be able to send the reviews just by scanning this code. So let's copy this link and let's open the link from another browser. After visiting the link, this is the page that I have got. Now I can start recording a video to send review, or I can also choose a video file. Let me upload a video file. For example, this is my video file. Now I have to provide my name on this box. And if you remember that I unchecked the email box, that is why the email box is not appearing. And then I have to provide the permission to amplify this feedback on social media and beyond. Now let's submit our video. So as you can see, after submitting the video, we have got the thank you page that I already showed you. Back to the dashboard of Feedspace. Now I can see the video review that I received. For that, I have to scroll down. And as you can see on this recently received feeds, I can see the video that I have got from one of the users. And on top, I can see the name and also the email. Since I have unchecked that email box, I have not got the email. And here is the video review. Now I can also make this review my favorite. And I can also share this review. There are a lot of sharing options. So first of all, there is this link. So if someone opens the link, that person will be able to see the video. Let me show you. After opening the link, this is how the video is going to appear. And there are also a lot more sharing options. So for example, this video review, I want to embed this review on my website. So I have to click on this. And as you can see, we have got the iframe code. So if I copy and paste this code, I can embed this video review on my website. I can also share this review on LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Facebook. And there is also this feed box. On this section, you can see all of the reviews that you have got. So you can see them divided into various categories. So you can see all of the video reviews on this video feed, text reviews on this text feed, audio reviews on this audio feed. So there are various categories. According to those categories, the reviews are going to be divided into their respective category. So this was everything about video review. But what if you want to collect text review or audio review? So for that, once again, let's go to home and we have to create a new form. So if I want to collect audio feed, audio reviews, I have to click on this and click on proceed. Now I have to adjust all of the settings regarding the audio form. So I can give a form name, the page title. Obviously, you can see the live preview on the right side. And then I can also change this main message, which is this one. I can also change the record button. So this audio record button, I can change the text. And then there is also attribution page title, page subtitle. I can also collect information such as collect lead name, lead email, and also their consent. Then there is the thank you page, just like before. And you can also customize the logo and the audio duration. So just like this, you can create a audio form and you will get the link. And once a user enters that link, he can provide a audio review. And just like this, you can also make a text feed form. So click on this and click on proceed. So on the right side, you can see the preview of the text form. You can change the form name, the description. You can also change the pop-up title, question text. You can change the submit feedback, which is this text. And you can also change the submit button name. So it is currently set to submit. You can also change it to something else. And then you can save and share, which means this way you are going to create a text form. So once you share this form, people will be able to share text reviews. And there is another very useful feature of Feedspace, that is this import social feeds. So you can import your existing reviews from various platforms. So let's click on this. So here are all of the platforms from where you can import your reviews. So if you already have some reviews on Google, you can provide your business name on this box and then you can search for that business and then you can import reviews that are already on Google. You can also import reviews from Product Hunt, Trustpilot, and Facebook. There is also another section on Feedspace, which is this promote. So this is called Wall of Love. Here you can promote your feeds or turn your feeds into shareable social proof. For that, you have to have minimum 3 feeds, which means reviews or feedback. And for your information, Feedspace also has a roadmap. So here are all of the features that needs user opinion. Here are all of the features that are currently planned. Here are 2 in-progress features, and there is also another section which is this done, which means all of the completed features are here. Overall, I think Feedspace is an excellent tool. It lets you build trust among your potential customers. It lets you collect audio, video, text reviews, and you can collect them very easily using the forms. And a great feature is that you can even import your existing reviews. So if you want to buy Feedspace on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 4. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.